Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the transformative world of Pilates, a workout that not only sculpts your body but also nurtures your mind. Let's explore how Pilates works its magic. At the heart of Pilates lies core strength. Through precise movements and controlled breathing, Pilates targets deep-seated muscles, building a strong and stable core. This, in turn, forms the foundation for a transformed body. Think of Pilates as a sculptor's chisel, refining and toning your body. It corrects imbalances by focusing on symmetry and alignment. This leads to improved posture and a more graceful, balanced physique. Pilates isn't just a physical workout, it's a mental journey too. By emphasizing mindfulness and concentration, Pilates helps you connect with your body on a deeper level. This mind-body connection is what sets Pilates apart. And now, for a little Pilates humor, why don't Pilates instructors ever play hide and seek? Because good posture always gives them away. Remember, a good laugh is the best warm-up. Back to the magic of Pilates. It promotes flexibility and elongation of muscles. Through controlled stretching, you'll experience improved range of motion and reduced risk of injury. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Pilates can be tailored to your individual needs and fitness level. It's a versatile workout that adapts to you, making it suitable for everyone. So there you have it, folks. Pilates, with its focus on core strength, alignment, mindfulness, and flexibility, is a powerful tool for transforming your body. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness insights. Until next time, keep moving and let Pilates work its magic.